In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this glowing effect in Photoshop. Create a color lookup adjustments layer. Select night from day. Change blend mode to multiply. Now create a solid color layer. Click on Mask Layer and press Ctrl or Command-I to invert. Pick Pen tool and follow the settings. Then start making selection. Right-click and choose Make Selection. Feather 0 pixels, click OK. Then press Delete key from the keyboard. Repeat the process on other areas. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, Radius 3 pixels and click OK. Right-click and choose Blending Options. Select Outer Glow and copy the settings. Create a new layer. Change blend mode to color dodge. Pick soft rounded brush and follow the process. Create Hue and Saturation Adjustments layer. Hold Alt or Option click between layers to clip mask. Play with Hue slider to match the colors. Create another new layer. Also change mode to color dodge. Start painting to add light reflection. And this is the final result. Thanks for watching.